In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Facebook business account. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a Facebook business page is a serious, often permanent action. Once it's gone, you may lose your posts, photos, messages, and followers. So make sure you really don't need the page anymore, or that you've already downloaded anything important, like images or key conversations. You should also confirm that you're logged in with an account that has full admin access to the business page, otherwise you won't see the right options. First, open your browser and go to your Facebook business page. You can do this by logging into Facebook as usual, then using the search bar to find your business page, or by clicking it from your shortcuts or pages section on the left. Once the page opens, check that you're on the correct business and not your personal profile, so you don't risk changing the wrong thing. Next, look for the settings option. Depending on the layout you have, this is usually found on the left-hand side or near the bottom of the menu when you're viewing your page. Click on Settings to open the control panel for that page. This is where you manage things like page roles, templates, and other key preferences. Within the settings area, you'll see several sections. Find and click on the one labeled Access and Control. This section deals with how you manage your page's presence, including deactivation and deletion options. Take a moment to read any explanations on this screen so you understand what each choice means. Now, in the Access and Control section, look for the option to delete your page. It may appear as Delete Page or something similar. Click on Delete Page. Facebook may show you information about what will happen when the page is deleted, and in some cases, it might mention a grace period during which you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind. After selecting Delete Page, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. Here, you'll see a button to continue. Click on Continue to move forward with the deletion process. Facebook might ask you to confirm your password or verify that you're the page admin. Follow any prompts that appear. Once you confirm, your request to delete the business page will be processed. That's all you need to do to delete your Facebook business account.